Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I'm making creamy potato soup tonight. I need some potatoes. Let's go out to the garden and harvest some. Come on with me. Okay, these are my potato plants I'm gonna harvest from. Let's go. There's a potato for our soup. I've got another one, and here's the original potato. That had a lot of ants in the whole thing, and one worm. All right, next one. Okay, I found the original potato. I could probably peel that and use that actually. Looks pretty good. Can we find any potatoes in here? Are there any? Found some gold. Yay! Any more? I found another one. I found another one. This one had like 10 worms in it. Pretty cool. Well, that's not quite enough potatoes for my soup, so let's harvest one more. My sunflower is starting to show some yellow. That's so exciting. I just had a brilliant idea. Since we only have a little bit of potatoes for today, let's get some green beans for our soup. Thank you, green bean plant. Thank you, green bean plant. I'm gonna see if I can get a potato from here. I started using a shovel. Accidentally chopped one in half down in here. Got half of it out. Okay. Wow. Look at this funny shaped potato. Cool. This one was pretty funny shaped too. Got another one. There we go. Cool. We're gonna have potato soup tonight for sure, for sure. There's another one. Massive. I love it. I love it. I love it. Awesome. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Another big one. Okay. Okay. I see you. I see you. Look at those. Okay. Got a root here connected to something. Let's. Oh, yeah. Got another one here. Here we go. Here we go. The root is still connected to something, I think. Or maybe it's just a root. Alright. Interesting. I got a baby carrot for my soup. I'll take it. Looks like that's it for this little corner of my raised bed that I need to harvest the whole thing, but this is it for today for my soup. Let's go inside. We're gonna add some spice to our soup and put a banana pepper. Let's do it. I'm gonna get a little one too. Here's another banana pepper. Thank you, banana pepper plant. We love you. Every soup needs some cilantro, don't you think? Ooh, and some basil. Definitely fresh from the garden. Let's do it. Yup. Obviously, we're gonna wash all this off. It's not gonna be dirty in our soup. Obviously. Some deliciousness to put in our soup, make it smell super good. Get some basil over here. Let's see. These are carrots. We'll leave that alone for now. Time to wash off all our goodies.